place the gantry profile which holds on the left side. Install gantry profile and tighten with M525 screws. Install X-axis module. Tighten with M416 screws. Now assemble aluminum profile, gantry, and X-axis. Pass the screw rod through the anchor block on the X-axis. Secure the coupling and screw rod with a jack wire. After installation, make sure the X-axis kit moving up and down smoothly. The QR code and the display face the same side, and the gantry stand on the base. Screw size M525. Tighten the screws on both sides from the bottom of the machine. Push the V-shaped wheel of printing head model to move right and left along the V-groove. Insert the adapter into the adapter plate in turn. Insert the Teflon tube into the connector and make sure to push it to the bottom. Tighten the wire harness with a cable tie to prevent shaking and pull connection of the port. Use the timing belt. Put it through between the profile V slot and V wheels joints. Bypass the timing belt from the outside of the X-axis scenic wheel and buckle it on the U-groove. Tighten the timing belt to the left while tightening the 4 screws. Install aluminum profile covers on both sides. Remove the ribbon cable from the hot end and pass it through the side slot. Connect the pole on the switchboard and insert it to the bottom to keep it firm. Insert the motor cable to connect the zigzag motor. Install filament bracket. Tighten the screws with the wrench to complete the filament bracket installation. First, simply fix the stop block. Remove the plastic wrap of the hotbed and remove the soft tube. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power. Click Settings. Turn off all motors. Spin the 4 nut handles under the 4 corners to make the hotbed in the tension state. Move the nozzle trolley and check the distance between the nozzle and the hotbed platform. According to the distance, adjust the zip stop plate up and down. Fix the stop block according to the current nozzle position. Click Settings. Return to home page and then click. Click the first point to level the first distance between the nozzles and the hotbed. Click the second point to level the second distance between the nozzles and the hotbed. Return to home page. Hang the filament on the bracket and pass it through the filament detector. And then click Ready to preheat and wait until the temperature reach 220 degrees. Wait until the temperature reach 210 degrees. Insert SD card. Click Print to select the model file for printing. Wait until the temperature reaches 60 degrees.